Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you today a Knaus Live Eye motorhome. Something like this you're looking at. I bet you don't believe me when I tell you. 117,000. This is the Live i700 MEG, 751 centimeters long, standing height inside 2 meters, payload 3,000. Or this is the full weight. So the payload is 379 kilos. What it's claiming, that's what it's claiming. 379. Right, 2 people would sleep up there. We've got the seats put down so that the bed will come down. We've got an L-shaped sitting group here. We have got some people might find this a bit claustrophobic, but it's just the style. So I'm certainly not going to knock Knaus for that, having the toilet and shower in this position. It does seem a bit unusual though. I do grant that one. And at the back here we've got storage lockers at the back. We've got this absolutely daft ledge up here. Can't see the point of that at all. We've got a window on either side with this rather nice Laura Ashley type shade. Under here we will find there's a wardrobe there. We will find a wardrobe there, and for those who can't be bothered to get in that way, you can lift this up, and you can get into the wardrobe like that as well. And over here we will find there is a wardrobe, and it also comes with a sensible cloth blackout, or let's say privacy curtain rather than the blackout curtain. There is of course a bit that fits in here somewhere, and that will make an enormous bed at the back. So that's quite good. Here we've got a freezer, fridge, the doors open the other ways as well, and up here we've got more storage. You could use that storage possibly to, I don't know, could you put an oven in there? Somebody knows about gas might know more than I do. You could possibly put an oven in there. Nice long range here, a sink, drawers below with daft, look at that, pointless. Things fall out down there. Here we have drawers, not drawers, shelves, and they go back quite a long way as well. Access to your gas, you can turn your fridge on, you can turn your cooker on, heating, etc. Look at that. This vehicle, the price, 117, wasn't it? And it doesn't even have a flat floor. I mean, that is absolutely horrendous, in my opinion. Okay, up here we've got the bed, and now seeing as the chairs have been put down in this position and not left up as they normally are on videos of mine, this is a little bit of preparation, you see, for the point of this demonstration. We've got a little thing there to hold, pull this in like that, and now how strong am I? And that was my weak arm holding a camera, so you see it's easy enough to do. The seats incidentally are really good. I don't like the covering at all, personally I don't like the covering, but the seats are really nice. You've got a skylight up there. I think a skylight in the bed is very good. So, is there anything here I should know about? No. Is there anything on the other side I should know about? No. But is there anything up here? Yes, you've got lights up there as well, so you can actually have the light on in bed. This table, in my opinion, is a really good size. I like the size of that table. Note, it's easy to get into this bed. Do not, of course, put your feet on that, and certainly not on the other side, because that's where the steering wheel is, as it's not designed to take weight. But you can easily get in and out of bed from this chair. I don't think the table is designed to take the weight either. So really, you get in and out of bed from that. Good storage here, and of course on the other side as well. The television lives in there. There's the television, and right now you might like the entrance to this, or it mightn't bother you at all. Place to keep your coats, Might look a bit bland, but hey, show has to go somewhere. Nice big garage in here, lots of space in there. I think it can take 200 kilos in here as well. Now I just want to say a few words about the payload, and the few words I want to say is that one has to be extremely careful with that, extremely careful with it, because it already has problems with the judicial authorities over the payload, and I wouldn't want to be caught out with something like that. It's really close to the edge of a 3.5 ton gross vehicle weight, and potentially a license that only permits 3.5 tons of gross vehicle weight, and Knaus is in trouble for declaring the wrong weights. Anyway, good. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and bye for now.